COVID? Was there something about this? Well, in many places in England, without a mask, it's easy to forget that one is still living in a pandemic, if it weren't for the drastically high numbers of cases. Listening to Boris Johnson can give you the impression that everything is fine in the UK. Because the British Prime Minister believes that the corona data are no cause for concern, no reason for Plan B, which has been in the drawer for months and should remain there. Meanwhile, the incidence is around 400, which is even higher than in Germany, where the alarm bells are ringing almost louder than ever before. The fact that the Delta variant has driven the number of cases in Germany, Austria and other countries to previously unknown heights has not gone unnoticed on Downing Street either. Boris Johnson warned a few days ago of the wave that was rolling over the continent and of which no one knew whether it would also wash over the English coast or coast, either way. And you heard in another video already me talking about Azim Majid, a health expert from Imperial College London, and some interviews he was given. And he says, the situation on the island has not been a bit better than in Europe, it has been even worse. They never had less than 30,000 cases a day since July. And the cases even got higher to 40,000, 50,000. And if you compare that to Germany, we have 20 million more people here, or even more than 20 million, and it's still worse in the UK. We might have some hotspots here, but nevertheless, they had their Freedom Day in mid-July, and that meant the lifting of practically all corona measures. And the NHS is not as overloaded as it was in last winter. But doctors do work to their limit. And the waiting lists for standard surgery, that is very much needed, is longer than ever. But they all just got used to the fact that they had around 1,000 deaths week after week for weeks. It's obviously the price for British freedom, and they got used to it. And thinking about the measures for Plan B, they only include the recommendation to work from home, wear masks in some rooms, and vaccination or test certificates for some major events. Here in Germany, from now on, we have the so-called 3G, 2G, and 2G plus rules. 2G applies almost everywhere in my state now. If you want to go there, if you want to go to cinemas, if you want to go to restaurants or whatever, it means only convalescent or vaccinated people are allowed to go there. You have to wear a mask in every shop, on every public transport. And when you have something like we with our carnival, on our carnival events, we need to have 2G plus. That means only convalescent and vaccinated people, but they also have to have a less than 24-hour-old COVID test. So everyone, although vaccinated or convalescent, has to be tested. Otherwise, they are not allowed to join those events. And we have a lot of more rules here applying. And so we really don't care about this. It is necessary. And to be honest, from my point of view, we owe all of this just to those few idiots who did not get vaccinated by choice. Of course, everyone has a free choice what happens to their body, but that stops when you're harming other people and running around infecting other people that are also not vaccinated. It's more about those. Is not your own choice anymore. When I smoke, it hurts, it harms me because it's nowhere allowed to smoke inside in Germany. So it only harms me. But in that case, it's different. And you could put your opinion under the video if you like. I'll see you in my next video. Bis gleich.